Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss one very important topic, and that is what is Studienkolleg in Germany. So what are its benefits? What is its purpose? How can you apply for Studienkolleg? Everything we are going to discuss here. So basically what is Studienkolleg? Studienkolleg is a preparatory school or course that helps international students to get admission in German university, right? So this is like a bridge. It is like a bridge between international students and German universities. Now what is its purpose? Now Studienkolleg is designed in such a way that students with, suppose they have high school diploma and it doesn't qualify them for German universities, right? Or if their current qualification does not fully align with the course they are willing to do in German university, then they will have to do this course. Actually, this course helps them to get admission in German university. Clear? Okay. Now, what are its benefits? So, benefits are it upgrades students' linguistic as well as academic skills. And for this course also, you should have basic German language knowledge, right? Then only this course is beneficial. At least you should know some basic German, then you can get into this Studienkolleg, and it upgrades, this course upgrades your linguistic skills and of course your academic skills as well. Now what is its duration? So duration is approximately it is 1 year. So there are 2 semesters, 6 months each. Then totally it is 1 year course. You can do it online or offline. Now how to apply for this course? You can apply to this course directly online, or you can apply through Uni Assist. So what is Uni Assist? Uni Assist is an application, is an app through which you can apply to this course, Studienkolleg. Now there are 2 types of Studienkolleg or these courses. So first one is public and second one is private. Now what is public Studienkolleg? Mostly it is free for students, this public Studienkolleg. Whereas private Studienkolleg, they charge a bit for students and you can do that course and then you can get admission in German university. So that is all about Studienkolleg. I hope now it is clear with you. So that's all for today friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.